So we found the decimal values of that function of the zeros from the graph. We got negative 6.65 and negative 1.73. We could also solve this algebraically. Okay, so we don't really need to do this all the time, but since we can, we will. So we make the y equal to 0. I'm going to undo the minus 1 with a plus 1 and get rid of the times 3 with the divide 3. That gives me the sign value. Okay, undoing this sign, so we end up with the angle negative 1/2 theta plus pi over 3. And undoing this, we get the arc sine of 1/3. And that gives us about 0.34. Okay, solving this algebraically, we get theta plus pi over 3. That's equal to negative 0.68. And then we can subtract pi over 3 from both sides, and we get the negative 1.73 that we got originally. Okay, so that would be the first solution here, and I'm going to call that theta 1. Now, there is that theta 2 that we have to worry about, so in this case here, we can find the theta 2, so I'm going to make the angle negative 1/2 theta plus pi over 3. And that's going to be pi minus theta 1. Okay, so that works out to be about the decimal 2.80. Okay, so this would be theta 1. This is our theta 2 that we're solving for. Multiply by negative 1/2. We end up with negative 5.6. And then subtracting pi over 3, we get negative 6.65. Okay, so 6.65, and there's our theta 2, and this is solving it algebraically. So again, we don't always have to do this, but it's good practice to be able to solve these things algebraically as well.